Welcome, this is Panda-Frog. Today I like to do Lowell's Wild 1. He's doing a giveaway and he asked us to pick a lock outside. And I am outside in my garden. And as you can see, there are my turtles. And I believe they have a little fun right now. Yeah, alright, so let's give them some privacy. And there's also neighbor's cat, always with me. He's like my little stalker. So let me get this one in a stand and I'll be right back. And I'm back, and today I got this Burg Wächter. Please excuse my shaky camera because the stand is not that great. So just a 5-pin friend collection lock, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins, as I told you. Maybe I'm giving it away in my next giveaway, I don't know. And it's like the Swiss edition. Alright, so let's see if we can get this one open. Weather is not that great today, it's a little cloudy. And it's supposed to rain today. It was very sunny yesterday. Really enjoyed it. Alright, let me see if I can find some binding pins here. Hope you don't mind the turtles in the back having some fun. So this is picking and an educational animal movie. Hopefully YouTube doesn't block this video, because the last time I uploaded a video of my turtles having fun, I got a warning from YouTube. It's not appropriate, and yeah, so you never know. And it's open. Alright, so I guess I will give this lock away in my next giveaway, because it's from Switzerland and the package will come from Switzerland. It's a fun little lock. You can see that's a bidding. So that was a little short video to enter the giveaway. Congratulations to your 1 year. I picked outside that lock, not in use. What else? That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.